Hey, Z-Fam. It's raining right now, and I don't have an umbrella. I went out and I got some Starbucks right here. It's empty now, but I got some Starbucks, and it was like shoot. Oh, okay, yeah, now I remember. So I was at Starbucks and hang on. Oh, sorry about that. Thank you. Alright, so I was at Starbucks and getting some work done on my iPad right here. I got my iPad in here and I shoot, why can't I think of what I'm gonna say? Huh? Oh, alright. This is just weird. Alright, so I went to Starbucks to get some work done, and I stayed there for a bit too long, and then it began raining, and I didn't have an umbrella with me, but I'm from Seattle. I'm used to it. So, yeah, that's what I've been doing. I mean, I'm not even that fazed by it. I am gonna have to dry off my binder though, because I've got like papers in here. Alright, let me just set you guys down really quick. I have to throw this away. And thankfully there was a convenient dumpster right there. Alright. So now I'm heading back to my and oh, car came flying out of here like we're not too. Oh, hear that? Yeah, it's thunder. It's thundering too, and I love thunder. It's one of my favorite weather patterns. But what I don't like about it is that it woke me up at 3 a.m. So I've been up since then. And yeah, so I'm kind of tired. But anyways, I'm back at my place. Hello. So, until next time, this is Zach out.